Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. Here click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to Duolingo. Here you will click on first stop and you click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then you click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.